Jai Hind everyone. Today is my 23rd day of recording the video in English to improve my English communication skill. And it's a challenge of 60 days and basically it's for my upcoming SSB and improving my English communication skill. And if I talk about like what I'm doing right now, so I'm pursuing right now BSc third year from the Agra University, and the college name is Jagdish Singh College of Education. And also I am pursuing BSc from the mathematics. So my upcoming fifth semester exams are at the 25 November, and also I'm just not preparing for the exam because of these exams are all based on the cheating. Because of I go to the examination hall, the teachers they give the answers, they tell the answers, and basically the paper is all about the OMR sheet. So they told like answers, and also write down, note down, and also I tick the answers on A B C D, and also, and that's why how I have given the examinations of the upcoming, not upcoming, it's the previous 4 semesters. And if I talk about like what I'm thinking right now, so I'm pursuing the BSc third year, and also I'm preparing for the ND examination, and also I have given the sixth written attempt of the National Defense Academy, and I have cleared 3 times, and I have gone for the interview, and basically it's called the Service Selection Board, and I have given 2 times the interview, and the results are 1 time conference out and 1 time screen out. And I have learned a lot, like how to excel in the SSB, and also how to improve my communication skill. Basically SSB is all about the personality test, and if you have good personality you will definitely merit. And also if you have courage, you don't have a never give up attitude, you will excel in it. And also I want to told you, just be consistent. Even though I have didn't do anything my whole life, but I want to told you like be consistent, be cooperative, and if you want to achieve anything in your whole life, so be a good human. If you are a good human, things will come to in your plate. And also the time of the table also turn. So just be a good human, because of being a good human is required for doing something else and achieving something that you want. And also I want to told you like analyze your performance, analyze how much you are capable, and also where you stand in the crowd, and how much you have to do practice for excelling. Because of some people clear the exam for 3 months preparation, and some people can't clear the exam